guys, welcome back to the channel. Today me I do some outdoor cooking again. Yeah, me I cook today Sunday, me I cook a Sunday dinner outside today. Yeah. So me I cook some chicken and rice and peas, yeah. So guys, me season up the chicken. So me I rub in the seasoning now, cause either try do it ahead of time, but she catch me. So me I go and rub in the season. So you know, let's go and stay tuned. Catch a fire. When me I catch a fire, you see me again.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout.
So guys, I try to catch a fire. Out, breeze eye. The breeze eye, man, the breeze are going with itself. Now give me a chance, fire. I don't know if I can go. So guys, the fire finally catch. So that's what I put on my peas. But guys, you know what, when it's not one thing, it's the other. You don't know see how the rain a joke. But it might look like it a go fall. So I go and watch it. So right now I'm put on the peas and I go and sit down and watch the rain. But the sky look serious still. But we see what I go on. Just stay tuned. Yes guys, now do not trade it vegetable to them here. Do some lettuce, but just cut it up here. I want a little head of lettuce now, so you know we have to do it. that is it. Check in for the peas. Go and cook a little more. So, let's guys, the peas. Go and cook a little more. So, guys, thank you for the support one more time. Just go and big up on yourself. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys will be notified whenever time I post a video. And remember, just go and stay tuned. Love, enough love and respect to you. Go and big up on yourself. I love you. Get the rice wash for putting on the pot the peas cook. Come here, get the rice wash. Watch your man. Don't watch it around there. On the stick. Yes guys, they are checking for the chicken. We never showed the one we put on the pot, you know, but yeah, they are fried and ready for turning it. And they're ready for turning it. Yes guys, so soon check in for them again. So just go and relax and kick back. That is it. Yes guys, check in. So them brown. So may I take them out here now. That could have brown somewhere. Smell like dirty thing. Smell like dirty thing. Yeah, don't let that big. Alright guys, them they need for brown you know. So yes. Yes, guys, left that for go and steam down now. So next, yes guys, so next time when we come back, it's supposed to done. Yeah, sure. Now I catch we still, but a cold I give me bad fight, you know. But me dead upon it same way still. Sky look black like rain off for far, but guess what? I eat this, huh? I eat this as me talk. But from morning it I do me so me not worry about it. I don't think it seriously as so it'll give me a chance to finish and make you know see what where the finishing look like. Alright? So just go and stay tuned, same way. Yes guys. I eat this, you know. So come on, still one. Go down some more. So guys, it's done. I never forget about meeting actually everybody I get to the vegetable. Yeah, I don't know what to eat. Take out that and go wash it off when you're done. This. So yes guys, this is pretty much it. So we're gonna eat, you know. You see? So just thank you for the support. I'm going big up on yourself. And remember, love one every time. And remember this, if you don't subscribe as yet, subscribe, share, like and comment. And guys, just hit the bell and we will know. And remember guys, just me a beg you know, just comment and say something. Say something about the video, make we know what I want. You know, watch, you know, comment, you know, say something, nothing. Just make you know the little comment, man, and the little likes, man. Just hit a little thumbs up, man, whether you don't like it. Just, you know, to make you know, say what I want. Just do enough for do, man. Just do the right thing. So, one big up on yourself. That is cool. So yes guys, may I feed my face. Yeah. Because I don't want to tell you say it's nice because I mean cook it. Yeah? I know but everybody inside, nobody knows you have to tell you how it tastes. But it tastes good, man. So I go and dig in. Right here from something I eat off everything. Not even I sit down, my friend. See there, me almost done it. Almost done it standing up. Nice, man. But you're supposed to know still. I do that way. Fish fear the camera lay the food this in there, you see enough? So she eat enough. She don't want to come for the camera. But I fear her food this, so she gonna eat. You know, they don't like a video while food about, you know, she done now, so later take a